Hello everyone, welcome to ROBAM Kitchen Appliance. I'm Brian. And if you love the original R-Box, then you're definitely gonna be obsessed with this R-Box Pro. We didn't just upgrade it, we turned it into a professional combi steam oven perfect for home cooks like you and me. No pro cooking skills needed, you get pro level results every time. It's got expert baking mode, you can set upper and lower temperature independently, and awesome new steam fry mode for battered food, and even a premium enamel inside that is super easy to clean. How about that? Steam, bake, air fry, 16 functions, and so much more. All right, let's unbox it. Now inside, a packing list, super thoughtful. So you can easily make sure all the accessories are here. And inside, you'll find a manual guide to help you take you through the process, how to install your oven, and even how to use it all the way. Now the foam packaging is custom designed, and it keeps the oven very nice and secure. So no moving around or damage during the shipping. 2 accessories here, each wrapped in plastic and foam. Now let's unwrap them. Now this one is a stainless steel grill rack, suitable for convection and air fry. It is thick, sturdy, and built to last. And now the other one is a baking tray with a high quality enamel coating, super smooth, non-stick, and so easy to clean. Now, we even threw in a heat-resistant glove as a little extra. It'll be so useful when you're taking out food or trays. And inside is a box of descaling agent for maintaining the steam system after you use it multiple times. Now, let's remove the top layer of the foam and reveal the machine. Now, it is also wrapped in a protective bag, so the overall protection is very well done. Oh, and a quick side note on this one. This R-Box Pro comes in 2 colors. Today we're unboxing the white one, but there's also a green option available for you. All right, so let's put it out then. Its capacity is way bigger than the original R-Box because it's 1.2 cubic feet. You can steam dozens of buns at once, and it can fit up to a 9-inch pizza for baking. Now the overall design is clean and modern, making it easy to match almost with every kitchen style. You can even put it in your living room. Now the front features a triple layer glass door, super effective at heat insulation and preventing burns. And down here, there's an extra large water tank. It holds up to 0.26 gallons of water, so it can run continuously for 90 minutes of steam. When you open it up, you'll be surprised to see the entire interior enamel coated, which is easily cleaned and scratch resistant. Now, right up here is the core heating system, which heats up quickly and evenly. Now, at the back there is a high power fan that creates hot air circulation. Now, whether you're convection or air frying, this ensures even cooking and better texture. Now, the R-Box Pro includes 32 built-in recipes, so you don't have to worry about temperatures or timing. Just select the corresponding number and start cooking. And if you prefer to cook your own way, you can just simply choose your desired cooking mode and then set the specs manually. Now, I don't know about you, but I can't wait any longer. So let's make some fish and chips to see how it performs. I'll select the steam air fry mode, adjust the temperature and cooking time, press that, and let it do the work. When you hear the beep, that means it's done. When you look at it, the outside comes up very crispy, while the inside stays also tender and also juicy. It's good. In addition, this oven offers 7 auxiliary functions: fermentation, defrosting, keep warm, cleaning, drying, sterilization, and descaling. Whether it's a daily use or long-term maintenance, everything has been thoughtfully considered. So if you ever want a cleaner kitchen, an easier, more enjoyable cooking experience, the ROBAM R-Box Pro is definitely worth considering.